So once your business has been approved on the platform, you'll be able to come in and manage your profile and update business details. So here we can change our personal details and our business details. So on the business details screen, you'll be able to change your business name, phone number, update your website URL, Facebook and Instagram links. You'll also be able to set your working hours, so the days that you're open, the times that you're open, and the times that you close. You'll be able to upload your logo and set any work images that you'd like to display to the user. Once you're finished, press update profile and these changes will then save.